Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Let's see if we can turn this American classic Korean. In a small bowl we need a quarter cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, a tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of gochugaru, and a tablespoon of rice vinegar. To add that tomato flavor, we're going to add a tablespoon of tomato paste in here, mix this up and set this aside while we prep the rest of our ingredients. We need to dice up 1 small shallot for that onion flavor, 3 cloves of garlic, give those a little smash and mince. We need about a tablespoon of ginger, so that's about like an inch long piece of ginger, mince that up as well. 3 scallions, the whites and the greens separated. And for a little heat, this is optional, 1 chili. You can leave that if you don't want it too spicy. We're going to add a tablespoon of sesame oil to a saute pan, add in the ginger, garlic, and shallot. Let that cook for about 30 seconds before adding in a pound of ground beef, ground turkey, ground chicken, whatever you prefer. Break that up and start browning up those little bits. When it's almost fully cooked, we can go ahead and add in our sauce, scraping all that goodness in there. We're going to cook for an additional 2 minutes just to coat all the meat and to really deepen the flavor. We're going to add in the chilies and the scallion whites, stir that around, let that cook for an additional minute. And to thicken up our sauce a little bit more, we're going to add a little slurry of cornstarch and water, a teaspoon of cornstarch to 2 tablespoons of water. Cook that until this thickens up to the consistency that you like. Now, we should have a Hawaiian bun. I do not have one, so I just used a pretzel bun, toasted it up on the stove, topping with our Koreanized, is that even a word? Sloppy Joe. This is something my mom would make when we were kids, like the American version. She could make a dollar stretch, and she had to when we were younger, so this is a little nostalgic for me. And this is looking pretty good. Let me go grab a napkin, because it's not called Sloppy Joe it's called a Sloppy Joe for a reason, sorry. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. You really get that gochujang and gochugaru coming through. You get the sweetness from the sugar, the acidity from the vinegar cuts through it a little bit. This is definitely a classic Sloppy Joe with a little Korean twist on it, and it is absolutely delicious. But there it is, we did it. We turned an American classic a little Korean. I hope you all try to do this in your home. Thank you so much for spending time with me once again today. I appreciate every single solitary one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you so much again, and until next time, happy cooking.